Here's exactly what we're building today. We're going to dive deep into the best MikiMoney AI tools for earning with AI tips, tools, and methods that work in 2026. If you've been searching for ways to make money online using AI, you're in the right place. Why does this matter? Because the AI job market is booming, and those who master the right tools stand to earn significant income. Whether you're a student looking for side hustles or a professional seeking career advancement, understanding these tools can transform your financial future. Before we get started, here's what you'll need: basic computer skills, access to the internet, and an open mind ready to learn. No prior AI experience is required, but a willingness to experiment and adapt is crucial. Let's begin with the step-by-step process. First, we'll explore the MikiMoney AI dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools necessary for your AI endeavors. Notice the intuitive layout and user-friendly interface. It's designed to help beginners navigate easily while offering advanced features for pros. Next, let's talk about the AI tools themselves. We'll start with TextGen Pro. This tool excels in generating high-quality content quickly, perfect for bloggers, copywriters, and anyone needing consistent content output. Watch as I demonstrate its capabilities. Now, let's move on to ImageCraft. This tool allows you to create stunning visuals effortlessly, ideal for designers, marketers, and social media managers. See how easy it is to produce professional-grade images. Another essential tool is DataMine AI. It helps analyze vast data sets efficiently. Great for analysts, researchers, and data enthusiasts. Let's check out its powerful analytics features. We also have VoiceGen, perfect for creating lifelike audio content, useful for podcasters, audiobook narrators, and voiceover artists. Listen to the quality it produces. Lastly, there's CodeGen AI. This tool assists in writing code faster and more accurately, ideal for developers, programmers, and tech enthusiasts. Watch as it speeds up coding tasks. Now, let's dive into some pro tips. Most people think mastering these tools takes years, but actually, with the right approach, you can become proficient in weeks. Tip 1, practice regularly. The more you use these tools, the better you'll get. Tip 2, join AI communities. Learning from others can accelerate your progress. Tip 3, stay updated. AI evolves rapidly, so keeping abreast of the latest developments is crucial. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of the best MikiMoney AI tools and how to use them effectively. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Was she right to wait a whole year? Yes or no? Comment your verdict.